How are you?
Daddy, I missed you so much.
Yeah, I missed you too.
Daddy, welcome.
Thank you.
Daddy, did you buy bags of rice and meat for me?
I did not, but I will soon.
Okay, Daddy. But, Daddy, why did you leave us all alone here? Mommy has been sick.
Go inside. I'll join you soon.
Okay, Mommy. Happy Daddy's back. Happy Daddy's back. My Daddy's back.
CJ, what have we done to you? Why did you abandon us? What have I done to you? What? She left us and we've been feeding from hand to mouth. Why? What did we do wrong?
Noya, what I'm about to tell you now might upset you, okay? It might really hurt you.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.